There we go. How's it going, everyone? I'm Dr. Brian Beer from Advanced Health Chiropractic down in the South Loop. And today, we're with Danielle. We're going to be focusing on her upper traps and shoulders because she's been having neck pain in the past and mid-back pain. Now, she's been with us for quite a while, so she's done lots and lots better. And as of today, she's not in any pain at all. However, we still want to get those joints moving to make sure they're working properly and that they don't essentially circle back and cause pain in the future. So today we're going to start off with what's called a standing thoracic adjustment. This adjustment is a distraction and extension adjustment for the mid-back in between the shoulder blades specifically. So, Danielle, go ahead and stand right here, face that way. You're going to start with your arms out, look down. I'm going to contact right here, interlock your hands over mine, pinch your elbows. Keep the elbows pinched. Go ahead and breathe in and out. And look up. There we go. And that's a really good release we got going on there. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is adjust Danielle's low back. So go ahead and have you go on your side, face me. Then the top knee, good. Contact. I'm checking if the hip is moving properly. Go ahead and breathe in and out. Good. Other side. Knees, contact, good. Right there. Go ahead and breathe in. And good. Go on your back. Last thing we're going to adjust is Danielle's cervical spine. Now I'm just going to feel for which joints. Yeah, left side. Feel that? Mm-hmm. Right there. Go ahead, left ear to left shoulder. Relax the head. There we go. That was loud. Good. Right ear to right shoulder. Go ahead and drop that right shoulder. There we go. And now we're moving a lot better than we were. All right, Danielle, grab my elbow. And that concludes Danielle's treatment. And so we will catch you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and have a good day.